Hello friends, today's the Neighborhood reaction is a Claisen rearrangement reaction. The Claisen rearrangement reaction is one side is the phenyl group is taken, another side is the allyl group is taken, CH double bond CH2. The name of this one is the phenyl allyl ether. When the phenyl allyl ether is on heating approximately 200 degrees centigrade, which undergoes intramolecular rearrangement reaction and forms especially the major product is at R2 position allyl group is gets substituted, that we call as a R2 allyl phenol is the major product. Here, what kind of the mechanism we supposed to explain for this reaction is how it is a pericyclic reaction and what the bond formation and bond breaking will takes place. Here the CH2, CH double bond CH2, already this position is occupied by the hydrogen atom. Now, when these electrons are given this side, this bond is broken, and here is these electrons are given this side, negative, positive, negative, positive, the bond is broken. Single bond is gets converted into double bond, and what type of the intermediate is possible here, that the bond formation and bond breaking is represented by dotted line. Here is a one bond is already present between oxygen and the phenyl ring, one more bond is formed, and here the bond is breaking between oxygen and the carbon atom. Since it is a single bond, this carbon and this carbon already one bond is present, and here is a one bond is broken, that I am represented by the dotted line. Already the hydrogen atom is present. Here is a double bond. Here cyclic intermediate, cyclic 6-membered ring intermediate is formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what will happen of the loss of the bond is when these electrons are given like this, the bond is polarized. Here double bond, this side is a O. Here this bond is forming is the CH2, CH double bond CH2. Already the hydrogen atom is present and the double bond is formed here. This we call as a enone. Enone undergoes keto-enol tautomerism. Here is a replacement of the hydrogen atom. As a result, that the substituted, especially at R2 position, allyl group is getting substituted is the major product. Whenever R2 position, two R2 positions are blocked by any of the substituent, then the product is gets substituted at para position. Very important. Now certain examples which related to the Claisen rearrangement reaction. We know well, when this bond is broken this side, this bond is establishes, here is a new bond is formed. Here the R2 positions are free, hence the major product to formed here is a R2 product is only. Here is this a bond CH2, CH double bond CH and R. The new bond is established. Here the two R2 positions are blocked, that the substitution, there is no hydrogen atom to undergo keto-enol tautomerism. Then obviously the substitution will takes place at which position is the para position. Here is CH2, CH double bond CH2. Here what will happen, one side is the electron releasing group is present. Here is a loss of H and Br will takes place, that the allyl is get substituted on the phenyl ring. Now here is a OCH3 is present, methoxy group is present. Here is a OCH2, CH double bond CH2. Again the same. Cyclic intermediate followed by the rearrangement undergoes keto-enol tautomerism to form. At this R2 position, methoxy group is substituted. Here is a OH and the CH2, CH double bond CH2. Next is here the R2 positions are blocked as well as the para position is also blocked. In such cases, that what kind of the product that you are expected, please try to write and post in your comment box.